This is a quick review of the SongMic's laundry hamper. This unit is about just under 2 feet tall. It will hold 90 liters of clothes. For me, that's roughly a week and a half. It will hold 50 pounds. It's got nice carry handles and this weave designed. It's hand weave. At the time of recording, this has almost 4,000 reviews at 4.7 stars. Assembly, very simple. It almost comes pre-assembled. 2 of the sides are already assembled. The other 2 are already assembled, and it's just a matter of putting them together. It's got a couple of simple screws. The bag itself is cotton. Just slide that over top, tie it off in the back. Very simple to use, and it is relatively lightweight, and it's got this really nice weave to it between the cotton bag and the weave. It will breathe and not freshen your clothes, but you know, your clothes won't be stuck in a sealed container.